Heyo! It's me, Harper Savage, and today we're working with some glitter canvas. Because, you know, we love glitter here. So we have silver, gold, and pink. I think I'm going to be working with the pink one today. Alright, so here it is, and upon inspection, it does not seem to be coming off on my fingers, which is great. It is super shiny though, but I assure you, it is pink. Now, I forgot to say it, but we are going to be painting on this in acrylic. We're going to be using some leftover stuff from my DIY calendar page. I'm probably just going to be using only a couple colors here. But first, I want to make a template because I want what I'm making to be perfect. This paper is about the right size. Just gotta make sure I cut off for here. And it is about the same width too. Let me go ahead and scooch this down. I'm just gonna work right on top of the canvas so I kind of know. I'm so sorry, it's so bright, you can't even see what's going on here. But you will soon. So I got this idea from a sticker set that I saw once. By once, I mean a couple times, because I actually have the sticker set. It is this thing that I got from the dollar store as well, and I wanted to do my own little cat paw like these, but on the glitter canvas. So yeah, that's my idea, as a cat paw. Groundbreaking, I know. I want this to be kind of based off of Cheese Cat Paw, but I wanted the pink to shine through, and none of his paws are pure pink, so it's gonna be a very loose interpretation of Cheese Cat Paws and his little beans. Now I'm going to cut that out. I think I want it a little bit shorter than this. I'm gonna cut off like a little bit less than an inch here. Yeah, I think that's better. Alright, it is cut and ready to be used as a template. I'm gonna be using this Posca to trace around the template I made, so I know where I'm gonna paint. Now time to check out. Not bad, not bad. I could always make the spots smaller, but I can't make them bigger is the only problem. You guys can't even see what I'm looking at here. There we go. Sorry, my bad. But yeah, I did mess up a little bit, like right there. That's actually paper. But I did mess up a little bit here, but that's okay because we could always make the spots smaller. We can't go bigger though. So it is time to paint, finally. So I'm just using some Artist Loft white here. It came from my DIY calendar. I might use some black too if I decide I want to put a spot here, because one of Cheese Paws does have a spot like right here, but his pads are not all pink on that particular paw, so I'm not sure if I want to do that yet. I'm probably going to be using some of these flat brushes or filberts, angulars, you know, the flat the flat brushes. Let's start with this one. Okay, this is gonna need a couple of coats, I see. Hopefully it's not too bright. I don't even have my light on today, so maybe I'll just like keep it at an angle for you guys while I paint it. no, that one's so small now. Whatever. And the one on the end is tiny. Alright, first coat is done. Now we gotta wait for it to dry. It's now time for a second coat. I wonder how many coats it's gonna take to get this to look good. Alright, so this is 3 layers of white. I think that's probably good enough for what I want here. And now I'm just gonna go in and do a spot on the paw because I want this to be kind of like Cheese Paw. He has a spot on one of his paws that's like right here, but it's not the same one that has the pink pads on it, but you know what? It's fine. We're just gonna do it anyways. Here is all done. I'm pretty happy with it. It did take quite a few layers to get the white to be opaque enough over the glitter. I was thinking about maybe doing the background in a different color, but I wasn't sure what color. Because I don't know, I like it how it is. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below if I should do the background or not. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see another glitter related video, go ahead and click the video here, and if you just want to see something cool, go ahead and click the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube things of comment, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!